to Wander Surfside Beach, located on the gorgeous South Carolina coast, about a 20-minute drive from Myrtle Beach Airport. My name is Sarah, and I'm going to be giving you a tour of this gorgeous 4,200 square foot oceanfront home that can sleep up to 22 guests, has 8 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, a private pool, a hot tub, private boardwalk with a golf cart, multiple patio areas, 6 state-of-the-art workstations, and even an elevator. This makes it the perfect place for family reunions, celebrations, or corporate retreats for your company or team. Wander is what you get when the quality of a luxury hotel meets the comfort and space of a vacation home. We're different from other vacation rentals because we own 100% of the homes on our platform, which means all the uncertainty from travel is removed. Upon arrival of Wander Surfside Beach, you'll notice its wonderful beachfront location and ease of check-in. Each Wander comes with state-of-the-art smart home technology that puts total home control at your fingertips. You'll be able to control every aspect of the experience from your smart home in the Wander app, from unlocking the door to turning on the lights and even accessing the Tesla in the driveway. Yes, that's right. You have the ability to access a Tesla Model Y long range during your stay with an EV charger on site. Wander Surfside Beach even has a golf cart so you can cruise around locally and parking for 5 additional vehicles. One of the best parts about this property is that it has its own gated boardwalk with access to a beautiful white sand beach just steps away. At Wander Surfside Beach, you can go from the beach to poolside in seconds. We have your own private pool and hot tub. Your private pool comes complete with an in-chase lounge and even an outdoor shower that was custom made by our lovely Wander team. You also have a grill, which is great for barbecues. In addition to all that, we also have several outdoor dining areas and several balconies overlooking the pool area. Now, as you can see, there is so much to do outside. You could easily spend all day out here or out exploring the area around, so make sure you check out our travel guide with tips on things to do. But in the meantime, let's get inside, because if the outdoor area impressed you, you're gonna be blown away by what's inside. There is a lot to see in this home, so let's start on the first floor of 3 and keep watching until the end of this tour, because the house gets more and more impressive as we go up. The first floor has a living room, 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, and a half bath, and 2 outdoor patios overlooking the Atlantic Ocean. Let's start in the living room. This space is designed with inspiration from the seaside, but with an elegant touch. Take a look at these wood panel walls, which is completely custom designed for this Wander home. It gives you inspiration of driftwood from the beach. And by the way, speaking of beach, you have your own private patio overlooking the shoreline. Both in the living room and in the outdoor patio, you have massive L-shaped couches, and you have a massive Samsung TV and Sonos speakers that connect remotely throughout the entire 3-story house, allowing you to play music just in one room or throughout the entire space at your leisure. How incredible is that for a celebration? Now let's head from the living room to the master bedroom. By the way, there are 3 other bedrooms along the way to the primary bedroom, but this one is one I gotta show you. One thing you'll notice right away is that there's an outdoor patio looking out to the sea. Now this patio actually connects with the bedroom next door, allowing both rooms to have access to the beautiful view. One thing I love about Wanders is that the decor of each home is customized to the area that it is located in. And here at Wander Surfside Beach, we have beautiful artwork on the walls, like very beachy. You have some surfers all in black and white photos. You also have a rug that is reminiscent of rippling water, and there's also windows with shutters. The entire room is modern, clean, and inviting. A standout element of all Wander bedrooms is how comfortable it is to sleep here. We want you to sleep better than you do at home, so we invest in the latest in sleep technology to make sure that you are super comfortable. And we also have wireless cell phone chargers next to the beds to make sure your battery never gets low. Plus, if you have a young child like me, we also have a crib and car seat for the Tesla included at each property. Simply ask for it and we will set it up prior to your arrival. The in-suite bathroom comes with everything you could possibly need, including luxurious shampoos and conditioners and really lush towels It's one of the things that really stands out about Wander. We also have a Dyson hair dryer here for you to use, so you can save your suitcase space on that. I love the nautical inspired bath tiling. Wander Surfside Beach has 3 other gorgeous bedrooms on this floor, each with an in-suite bathroom and all the comforts and thoughtful touches that I listed from the primary bedroom. I'm in one of the other bedrooms, and this one has a sit-to-stand desk. It's essentially the ultimate workstation. There are 6 of these in the Wander home alone, but we will talk more about this fabulous find in a bit. Now let's head to the second floor, which is my favorite. You can go up the stairs here, or you can take your own personal elevator. Welcome to the second floor. This room has the dining room, living room, kitchen, a primary bedroom, 2 bathrooms, and 2 outdoor patios. The chef's kitchen has everything you need to host a large gathering, including double refrigerators, double ovens, double sinks, double dishwashers, and plenty of cabinet space. Plus, these wonderful windows overlooking the ocean make the cooking experience incredible. The kitchen is one of the many things that sets Wander apart from other travel accommodations. It comes fully stocked with soft drinks in the fridge, an espresso machine, spices, oils, and everything you would need to cook an incredible meal at home. This is professional chef approved. They also have high quality dishware and cookware, which is great for entertaining. However, if you're not a home cook, we can always organize a private chef to cook a meal tailored for you. Our Wander concierge is open 24/7 to support in any way. Off the kitchen is the living room, dining room, and outdoor patio. Now, everything about this space just feels refined, from the high coffered ceilings to the floating stairs to the contemporary decor. There's a cushy couch right here that comfortably sits 10. We have this cute little reading nook, a massive granite table that can seat 10 people. The use of different natural materials in this space creates a stylish, inviting vibe that can work for a variety of occasions, from company or team retreats to major celebrations. Speaking of corporate retreats, this white wall can double as a whiteboard for meetings. The primary bedroom on this floor is the largest, and it also has the largest in-suite bathroom. I love the style of this room. It's just so airy and light and inviting. And they also have this private deck, which is an amazing location to watch sunrise or stargazing. Oh my God, it's amazing from here. This is the room you want if you're the host of the event. Let's head to the third and final floor, which is completely different than the other 2. This floor has a co-working space, table tennis, 2 bedrooms, 3 private bathrooms, and a bunk room. This is the ideal place for getting work done during a workcation or a corporate retreat. Wander Surfside Beach has super fast Wi-Fi, 300 megabytes per second or more, and ubiquity hardware all over the entire property. So technically, work can be done anywhere at Surfside Beach. That is when you're not having fun at our private pool, beach, hot tub, or exploring the surrounding area. Each of the 6 workstations throughout the home have an Herman Miller Aeron chair, which has the best back support of all chairs, an uplift sit-to-stand desk. We also have a Blue mic, which is so high quality that is used for broadcasting by major recording artists. There's also the best Logitech Brio 4K camera, so that you're gonna look crystal clear in all of your Zoom calls and won't even need a virtual background. Each desk also has an extra wide LG curved monitor and high-end speakers. And what I love is that when I arrived, all I had to do was plug my computer into one wire, and all of this was already connected for me. It made the whole process seamless and hassle-free. Wander Surfside Beach has the ultimate bunk room. It has 8 full-size beds, a Samsung TV, a private deck, and a bathroom with 3 different sinks. That brings the grand total of how many people that can stay here to 22. Though we have a great washer and dryer for you, you don't have to worry about cleaning when you check out here. That's the beautiful thing about it. Just simply take your stuff and go. We have a team that will take care of it for you. You never have to worry about long lists of to-dos like stripping beds. The Wander Concierge team can also arrange a mid-stay clean during your visit. All you need to do is text them. At Wander, we believe that humans are meant to explore the world and that these experiences are best when shared. Now, anyone can stay at one of our properties, but we also offer a Wander membership program that unlocks additional benefits, including 5% off of every Wander you book, early access to new Wanders, VIP concierge service, exclusive discounts from our luxury brand partners like Herman Miller and 8 Sleep, a members hoodie, and more. Now, to learn more about that, visit wander.com/membership. And if you're an employer looking to unlock the ultimate employee perk, our Wander Teams program allows you to purchase Wander credits to use towards your corporate retreats, awards for top performers, and as team-wide benefits. Head to wander.com/teams to learn more. And with that, let's hop in our Tesla and explore the surrounding area because there's a ton of things to do here. Check out our travel guide next. We look forward to welcoming you to Wander Surfside Beach. We hope to see you soon.